If you think duck breast is too fancy for a Tuesday night or too complicated to cook on a small balcony grill, this recipe will change that. Today we're making 5-star smoked duck with a sticky orange glaze right here on the terrace. Welcome back to the terrace. Usually we are doing American classics with an Italian twist, but today we are doing high-end luxury on a tiny setup. The first step is prep. Duck breast has a thick layer of fat. We need to trim the excess that hangs over the edge. While we trim, here is a quick history lesson. The famous French canard à l'orange actually originated with Catherine de Medici's Italian chefs. So in a way we are reclaiming this dish today and giving it a modern BBQ update. Here is a pro tip. Do not throw away those trimmings. Put them in a small saucepan over low heat. In the culinary world, duck fat is basically liquid gold. We want to extract every drop of flavor to use as the base for our glaze. While the fat renders, let's work on the citrus. I'm squeezing fresh oranges. We need that fresh acidity to cut through the richness of the meat. Back to our pan. The trimmings have released their fat. Now add a knob of butter directly into that hot duck fat. This is where the magic happens. Now here is the fusion twist. Instead of just sugar, I'm adding a splash of soy sauce for saltiness and some thick teriyaki sauce for gloss. This gives it a depth that plain sugar just can't match. In goes the orange juice. Hear that sizzle? That is the sound of flavor concentrating. Extra tip, throw in the orange peels to release those essential oils. The barbecue is stabilized at 120 degrees Celsius, about 250 Fahrenheit. We are setting up for indirect heat. Place the duck on the grill, fat side up. As it warms, the fat melts and bastes the meat naturally. Once it turns amber, flip it, keep brushing every 15 minutes. Look at that color building up. Don't waste the heat. Throw on some carrots glazed with honey and spicy BBQ sauce. Simple side dish, done. Desired temperature almost reached. Remove it. Increase the temperature to 180 degrees. Now sear the meat, skin side down. Listen for a sizzle. If it's not crispy, it's not done. Target temp reached, pull it off. Let it rest for 10 minutes. Slice it up. Look at that pink center, crispy skin, tender meat and zero stress. Okay, let's taste. Wow, the skin shatters like glass, but the meat melts in your mouth. You get the smoke, then the sweet orange, and finally that savory kick from the soy sauce. This beats a ribeye any day. If you want to master BBQ in small spaces, hit that subscribe button right now. Try this on your terrace this weekend. Ciao!